Hi, it's Liz from Sew4Home. If you have ever repainted a room, maybe added a bit of wallpaper to a plain wall, you understand how changing up color or injecting a new pattern can transform everything. And it's really the same with fabric and thread. Introducing our Patch Pocket Drawstring Apron. We wanted to show how our summery set of bold flower power machine embroidery designs could take on a whole new look with updated autumn thread tones set against this gorgeous rustic striped fabric. Now, if you haven't seen this particular free embroidery collection yet, no worries. I'm going to add a link in the original article so you can review and download all of the designs in all of the available embroidery formats. For our apron, we chose the coneflower, and we're using the full design here on the bib pocket and its little mini companion design as a patch on the skirt pocket. There is a wide casing that runs along both the armhole curves, and we do have a free pattern that you can download for those curved sections so you can make sure to get a perfect match. Plus, we do show you very detailed steps about how to clip the curves and how to add understitching to keep the facings extra flat. A continuous drawstring apron like this is a great choice for cooks of all shapes and sizes. We chose a mid-weight linen as the base for our embroidery because, well, we happen to think linen is simply one of the best substrates for beautiful embroidery. But everything else, the exterior and all the linings, are a quality quilting cotton. So your fabric choices and your colors are virtually unlimited. The pattern, all the step-by-step instructions, and of course the beautiful embroidery designs are available now at Sew4Home. And they are free to you thanks in part to support from Janome America. We have detailed steps on how we did our embroidery placement and resizing. We did just slightly reduce the size of the single design, but it was so easy. We just used the onboard editing tools on the Janome Continental M17. If you haven't seen this machine, check it out at your Janome dealer for a full tour. It is an awesome top-of-the-line sewing and embroidery machine. So, our Patch Pocket Drawstring Apron is a beginner-friendly project. You can easily make it in a day, and it would be a super fun gift idea. You could bundle it with some kitchen tools, maybe a cookbook, maybe your own recipes. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for listening, and happy sewing!